This is a very quick follow-up video on the laser beam audio projector, and it's different, slightly different design here. I want to show that since the last time we used the chip tune, I didn't get to show that this thing can emit understandable speech. So let's quickly rectify that. The receiver is still nothing more than a little panel and an audio jack with headphones. So the idea is that this thing also has to drive its own headphones. So let me start an audio file, and then I will show that it gets there at range and it works just fine during the day. Like before, I'm going to be aiming this at the reflection before I aim it directly at the beam. Note that the beam seems constant if you look at it with the camera, because now it's being modulated about 25% instead of 100%. I find that this generates less distortion. And this is what happens if I hit the beam directly. I'm also getting a bunch of DC here, which I could easily use if I added a capacitor here. I could probably power something with it, which I plan to do next. Of course, the DC component does not appear in the headphones. So that's the end of the demo. You can see very clearly that the design has not changed much. We just swapped the drivers, constant and modulated. And this thing is going to be sent over to the Phenom project, where it will be deployed at Mars Desert Research Station for testing, and I'll build a more powerful one and then see if I can send the signal up to space next. Schematics will be available as soon as the Phenom project guys authorize their release. I like to try to open source everything. In this case, I have to ask them, since this was for them.